tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for architects, engineers, designers, and anyone who needs to bring their large format visions to life. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP DesignJet T630 large format 36-inch plotter printer. This isn't just any printer. It's a powerhouse designed to make your workflow more efficient, flexible, and high quality. From architectural plans to engineering drawings, posters, maps, and presentations, this printer can handle it all with its impressive large format printing capabilities up to 36-inch wide. Imagine being able to print your designs in stunning detail and size, making it easier to visualize, collaborate, and present your work. Whether you're working on a new building design, a city map, or an art project, the ability to print large formats opens up a world of possibilities. One of the standout features of the HP DesignJet T630 is its fast and high-quality output. With thermal inkjet printing technology, you get resolutions up to 2400 by 1200 dpi, which means your prints are not only detailed but also vibrant and professional looking. But speed is also crucial in any workflow, and this printer delivers with an impressive print speed of about 30 seconds per D/A1 page. This means you can quickly produce the prints you need without waiting around, allowing you to meet deadlines and keep your projects moving forward. For professionals, time is money, and the efficiency this printer offers can significantly impact your productivity and bottom line. Another aspect that really impressed me is the flexible media handling of the HP DesignJet T630. It supports a variety of feeding options, including roll feed, sheet feed, an automatic sheet feeder, and even comes with a media bin and an automatic cutter. This flexibility is a dream come true for anyone who works with different types of media regularly. Whether you're printing on standard paper, glossy photo paper, or even thicker materials like cardstock, this printer can adapt to your needs. The automatic cutter is especially useful for rolls, making it easy to print and cut your designs to the exact size you need without having to manually trim them. This not only saves you time, but also ensures your prints are precise and professional looking. In today's connected world, having multiple connectivity options is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. The HP DesignJet T630 delivers here as well, with USB 2.0, Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi, 802.11 divided by B divided by G divided by N, and Wi-Fi Direct. This means you can easily connect the printer to your network, whether you prefer a wired or wireless setup. But what's even more exciting is the ability to print from your mobile devices and the cloud. With compatibility with the HP Smart App, HP Click, AirPrint, and more, you can send prints from your PC, smartphone, or tablet with ease. Imagine being able to print a document or photo directly from your phone or tablet without needing to transfer it to a computer first. This level of connectivity and convenience is a game changer for anyone who needs to print on the go or collaborate with team members remotely. As I wrap up this review, I want to emphasize just how much of a difference the HP DesignJet T630 can make in your work or projects. With its impressive large format printing, fast and high quality output, flexible media handling, and multiple connectivity options, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to elevate their printing capabilities. Whether you're a professional architect, engineer, designer, or simply an enthusiast, this printer can help you bring your ideas to life in a big way. So, if you're looking to upgrade your printing game, I highly recommend checking out the HP DesignJet T630. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and discoveries. Let's keep exploring the amazing world of technology together.